to pull out of this post.
So today I am basically doing a review on the Dragonhawk tattoo kit that I ordered off Amazon. I will have the description down in the link in the description box. So inside of this box is everything that of course came with the kit, but I actually ordered this stencil stuff on the side also from Amazon. I also got this numbing cream, also Amazon. This numbing cream that you put on 20 minutes prior to starting your session. And my battery is gonna die, so I'm gonna switch it at one point, so there will be a stop in the video. Here is the ink that came with the set. 3, 4, 5, 10. So there are 10 different colors that they have also included in the kit. There are 10 sterilized cartridges. And then there are also 10 here. They are also sterilized. So I'm assuming that they are the same. Don't quote me on that. But that's 10, 10. So you have 20 cartridges. Oh, you know what? 10 of these, the shaders, and then 10 of the outlines. Yeah. So in either one is 10 of the shaders and then 10 of the outlines. It did come with the wrapping tape that you wrap around your gun. Gloves, the power cord to power up the gun, the ink holders, really cool, huh? Here is the tattoo power supply. If you guys would like me to open it, I will. If not, you can skip past this. Here is the power supply. Right here is the foot pedal. No, I'm just playing. Alright. And then right here we have the shimmer bang bang. I'm just playing. Let me stop and try to be serious for once. The gun. Here is the gun. See how cute that is? There's the gun. In the other box, let's see, it's probably another cord. Yep, it's the cord, the power cord, or the cord that connects the gun to the pedal. Also in the box came these really nice little stickers, Dragonhawk. And then it also came with some transfer paper and some fake skin, which I thought was really freaking cool, because I noticed that a lot of people ordered theirs on the side and it came with some skin and some transfer paper. I just wanted to assemble this gun for you all. I know it may help some. For some it may not do anything because you're probably already familiar with this, but actually this is something that we'll be doing together because this is my first time assembling this. So I want to say, but let's see. So that goes there. Hopefully I did that on camera. If not, the end of this port goes into the bottom base of the gun. And then this end of it, we are going to place it into the gun thingy. Not the gun thingy, I'm sorry. To the the supply, the main source. It's also called as the power station, which is right here again. And then that end right there, we are going to place the pedal into that. And then when we're ready, we're gonna apply pressure and then we'll tattoo away, right? With our cartridge in there. And then on this end, I'm pretty sure you guys, it's self-explanatory, but I just thought, why not? It's gonna go into the back of the power supply. Let's see. Okay. And see, just like that. and we're ready to tattoo. I'm not gonna open my cartridge right now. I can take it out of the box for you guys, but I'm not gonna open it out of the actual sterile plastic, because of course I want it to be sterilized when I am ready to use it, and which I did say it will be a part 2 to this video of me using the gun. So here we are, and this is the single needle for, again, outlining. And then let's see here. Here are the cartridges for, I believe, shading. Ooh, it's so dusty. Oh no, they played me. Oh, wait a minute. These, okay, see the needles for outlining. I thought I just showed y'all that. So did it not come with the shadings? Or did I just not look at them right? Oh, you guys, I think they accidentally gave me 20 outlines. Yep. Or wait, hold on. Oh no, you just have to really look at them really good. It's really, really small. These are the shaders. These are for shading right here. I'm sorry, you guys. So yep, that's the cartridges. That's how you set this kit up. Again, you got the pedal. You're gonna apply pressure to make the gun do its job. And then of course they go right here. You plug them into the in ports and you power it on. The minus, plus, however much you need. You can turn it down. Power supply. And then I showed you guys already the ink. And just in case you guys can't see that great, oop, let me turn this down a little bit. We have, this looks like a aqua blue. Oh, it's called ice blue. We have sky blue. We have emerald gold, also is known as orange. Right here it says emerald, immortal something, also known as, I believe, brown. Yeah, that's brown. Right here we have blue. We have another shade of orange. It's called deep orange. We have yellow. We have black. We have red, and we have white. Yeah, and I just, again, I'm super excited. I can't wait. And also for the numbing cream, you guys, when I got my tattoo on my neck done, my tattoo artist strictly used Bactine. Yeah, she used Bactine. It's a pain relieving cleansing spray, and I'm gonna show a picture, insert a picture of my neck tattoo. I'm here in the back. I'm about to get my tattoo done, as you guys can see in a minute. This is my tattoo artist. Say hi.
Hello. Yes, here we go.
He's about to hook me up. So you guys will see in a minute. Hi guys. Oh, sorry. Oh shit. And that right there, this right here, actually numbed my neck, and I felt almost nothing. I'm not gonna lie to you and say I felt absolutely nothing, but I almost felt nothing. So we did use this, but it didn't work at all, and it could be because we didn't have the saran wrap that most recommend. They say that you're supposed to apply the cream and then add saran wrap and keep it on there for, I guess, the 20 minutes that you're waiting for it to numb. But I didn't do that, so I can't bad talk that just yet. But yeah, thanks again for, you know, watching my Dragonhawk tattoo kit review. And I hope if you are planning on ordering yours, you enjoy it as much as I hope to. And I also hope that this video was able to help everyone that was kind of struggling with getting the process going, because to be honest with you, I had it for quite some time, and as you can see, it collected a lot of dust, and I've been afraid to use it, but I said, why not? You only live once, so let's do it. So I will be tatting myself up, and hopefully my family members will let me tat them as well. Super excited about that. So yeah, that's everything that came with my Dragonhawk tattoo kit, and I am super excited to try it, and when I do, I will record it, I promise. So yeah, Dragonhawk. All right, thanks again, bye.
I can't even explain it, nah. Maybe it's the way you look in my eyes. How I feel is beyond words can describe. How you ignite this fire so deep inside. Got me hot like the sun.